5 a.m. Seed it before BSO Live and Munich. Let's go.
So yeah, 36 hours into the trip, we've made it to Lisbon Airport. We are through passport and security control, a little bit tight, and we are en route to Munich. Let's go, and I think it's time for me and you to sleep on the plane, Jordan.
I think so.
And we are off. Madame. Squeezy time. Ciao, ciao.
I didn't get one of those.
Yeah. You gotta work hard mixer.
I got my remarkable at the ready, so squiggle time.
Pork roll, Milka, bottle of agua, Coke Zero, and some ketchup crisps. Tap bash. It's now midnight in Germany, in Munich. So we're gonna have, what, 6 hours sleep? And then we're back serving 20 teachers for coaching. So while I'm feeling tired, I'm also buzzing for tomorrow. Hallo, mein Name ist Sam. Willkommen zum heutigen Event. Es freut mich sehr, hier zu sein. So 9 a.m. here in Munich, and we're about to start the training for the amazing Jules Verne Campus. What a cool room. We've got 20 elementary school teachers here, and it's going to be a lot of fun today. It's going to be something different they haven't done before, maybe a little bit pushing out their comfort zone, but that's actually where we learn. That's the growth zone. And as always with my trainings, it's going to be a lot of fun. And that's the most important thing. So the day 3 of 3, Tuesday Lisbon, Wednesday Lisbon, and now Thursday in Munich. I'm so blessed to do this work, and I'm very excited. Let's go. So right now I'm at Jules Verne Campus, and it's such a forward-thinking school that I'm in the coaching room right now for their secondary school students. I've never seen a school with a dedicated coaching room, and I mean, what a space to actually have students to reflect on their own personal development, their growth and their learning. Like, academics is not just in the classroom, it also happens here. And if you can build strong foundations in this room, then you can bet that students are going to perform better, you know, in the actual exams, in their tests. It's all about laying good foundations, and like having a coaching room in a school, how forward thinking from Jules Verne Campus. So, 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Lisbon, Munich, changing many lives with this amazing man. Brother, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Oh, that hits different.
So 80 hours later, after our amazing trip, we are back in London Heathrow. 2 days in Portugal, 1 day in Munich, working with so many amazing students and teachers from all across the world. I feel so grateful to be able to do this. Thank you so much for getting involved in these events. Probably the highlight of my whole 6 years in business this week. I'm absolutely shattered, but it's amazing to contribute and give back to students and teachers. So thank you so much, and I can't wait for the rest of this academic year.